Hey guys, what's up? My name is Shashwat and you're watching SS Plays Roblox. So in this video, me and my friend gonna go to Green Valley and we have a vacation house and a rental car there. So let's begin the journey. So let me call my friend real quick. Chris. Let me call him. Let's go pack up in the car. Let's go. Today we gonna go in my BMW X6. So let's take luggage. Let's take luggage. Takes luggage. Let me type real quick. Okay, takes luggage. Okay. So let me show you the BMW we are gonna go in. So it's let me unlock it real quick. So let's go. Let me show the BMW. This is the Chris Audi and this is my BMW. We are gonna go. Let me unlock it. Unlocks BMW. Opens boot. Let me type. Open boot. Puts luggage. Okay. Let's begin. Okay. Let him park the car. So we have snacks in our bags, and it's gonna be a long journey. Like it's so long. The Greenville is so long. We have some business trip. It's like a business trip, and we have to fill up. Let's begin. So we are out of our neighborhood, and the BMW have really low gas. We have to fill up, and we will rent a car there. So let's go to the gas station. It's like a really long journey. It's gonna be so tiring. We have a rental house there and we have to follow rules right now, because there is a lot of cops in the south of Florida, and it's like if we get a fine we can't afford it right now, because I spent all my money in buying this BMW right now, but it's worth it. So let's wait on the ride. BMW have the cruise control system, so we are gonna use that too. And we are almost here at the gas station. Let's fastly fill up, and we have to buy some chips from the Stud Rack gas station. So let's fill up. Okay, let's go. It's a long journey, so we need fuel a lot. So the tank is full now, so it's not a big deal now. So let's go and buy some snacks from the Stud Rack. In the starting I said we have snacks, but we don't have a lot, so we need some because the journey is long and we might be hungry, and might be no food place there on the way. So let me buy some chips from here, and let me pay here real quick. Okay, so let's head to the Green Valley. Let's go. Let me call him. So and we have to leave this car to the service station there, and we will take another car from this there, and because the tire pressure is low too, like not much low, and the service is due of this car, so it's like showing the warning in the speedometer. So we will meet you when we reach Greenville. So we reached Greenville, and this is our rental car, BMW X4. R was X6. And if you own a BMW, you know that if you give your car to workshop, they will give you a exchange car until your car you get your car back. And I don't know what's happening here, so rush. Okay, let me go from here. Let me take it out. Okay, man, people are here is crazy, man. Okay, so we have to get this car wash cause the service station car wash was broken, so they said you can wash it by the near car wash here. Okay, and so we rented a house here, and we will live there, and this car we will get our car we will get a car tomorrow, and this is the BMW X3, and as you see, this looks cool. The car wash here is pretty cool, and BMW is not I mean our rental car is like good, and it's X4. It looks cool. So guys, we are on our way to our house, and our BMW got dirty again. I don't know why, cause I think we did a little bit off road, and we are just crossing the farm, and we are almost there. Hello. And let's go. Houses are so good, and this is our house, and it looks so beautiful, not gonna lie. Let's firstly take the papers from the email. So we sign the papers and send it to the real estate guy, and let's park our car in, and let's go. So this was our journey, and now we will just pack it out and just stay here for a few weeks, and then we will go back to we are here, and we will go back in few weeks and back to Florida. And so bye, and make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And this house is just beautiful, as you can see. So bye bye, thanks for watching, bye bye.